All right, on the Flatratemaster, and today, well, we're going to look at some of the stereotypes of mechanics that are, well, true. What the hell do you want? I told you, get the hell out my bay. I don't answer no questions. Get out of here. Yeah, I don't want to do that job. You know, I'm just here till I retire, man. So, you know, give that to one of those young kids. I ain't doing that crap. I can tell you that it's a 69 because the pinstripe is 3/4 of an inch thick instead of 5/8 of an inch thick. So it's a 69. You know, the 67s and 68s, they had a 5/8 pinstripe. So for sure it's a 68.